PremierTV is easy to use once it's installed on your devices. Let's get started with PremierTV using your Amazon streaming device. From the home screen, select the PremierTV icon to open the channel guide. Press up or down on your remote ring to navigate through the channel guide. As you do this, a description of a highlighted program will display at the top of the screen. To watch a highlighted program, press the center of the remote ring and then select Watch. To move to the next highest or lowest channel number from a live program, press up or down on your remote ring to surf through the channels. The PremierTV tab bar gives you easy access to the program guide, your recordings, and the search feature. To open the tab bar while you are in the channel guide, press the back button on your remote. To search for a specific program, whether it is live, upcoming, or a recording, choose the search option from the tab bar. Use your remote to type the name of the program you're searching for, or use the microphone button and speak the name of the program. Select Next to view your search results. The top row of results will show currently airing or upcoming programs. You can select a program and choose to either watch or record it. To watch a recording, select the Recordings option from the tab bar. Scroll through the list and select the program you want to watch. Then, press the play button on your remote to begin watching. If you've found a live or upcoming program in the channel guide that you'd like to record, select the program and choose the option to record. You can then choose to set a one-time recording or set recurring recordings to record only new episodes or all episodes of a program. Once the recording is set, you can access and manage it from the Recordings option in the tab bar. Scroll through the list and select the program you want to view or manage. You can choose to watch or delete a recording, or select the Edit option to adjust the start and end times of the recording, which is helpful for live events that may run past their scheduled time blocks. Your PremierTV recordings are automatically deleted after 90 days. To protect a program from auto-deletion, navigate to your list of recordings. Select the recording you want to protect and use your remote to highlight and select the Protect option. Choose Yes to confirm your choice. A shield icon will appear next to the program name to indicate a recording is protected. Some programs have the option to restart from the beginning. This is indicated by a restart icon in the channel guide and program description. When you choose to watch the program, you can choose to either watch live or select the Start Over option to watch from the beginning. Before you can add PremierTV to additional compatible streaming devices, you'll need to generate a login and passphrase from a device that already has the app. You can do this from the PremierTV app on your phone or tablet, or from your Amazon streaming device that you're already logged into, which is what we'll do here. From your Amazon streaming device, open the tab bar and navigate to Settings. Navigate to Account and choose to add a device. You will see login and passphrase fields with numbers beside each. These are what we'll use later. Now, on the device you'd like to add PremierTV to, navigate to the search feature and search for PremierTV. For this demonstration, we'll install PremierTV on an iPhone. Download and install the app. Once it's installed and you open the app, choose to add a new account. You'll be prompted for the login and passphrase, which we located earlier on our other device. Enter these numbers and then pair the device. We hope you enjoy PremierTV. If you'd like more information on using different features of PremierTV on your Amazon streaming device, visit our online help center at mypremieronline.com.